My name is Pang. I come from Mae Sai, the northest point of Thailand near Burma's border. I am doing the PowerPoint designer on a website, freelance website. I'm graduate from a local university near my hometown, English major. I don't know, for now I just want to have a house and, chill out at the house, build a really nice house and then just chill out, do my freelance work, cook 3 times a day. Yeah, I love cooking, so, I don't want much. I want foreigners to know that Thailand, we have a really beautiful culture. Like, the first thing when you come to Thailand, you will see people smile. That's the first thing. So I want them to know that Thai people are friendly. We are Buddhist country, so we respect Buddha and stuff like that. I think the culture is the most that Thai people will value. We have certain things that we do in our culture. Like, when you see somebody, you say Sawadee Ka, but you don't say just Sawadee Ka, you have to do like that as well. So that's kind of respect for older people and stuff like that. That's just an example. One thing that I noticed though, when they come, not just America, but foreigner, when they come to Thailand, I understand that maybe it's a bit hot over here, but most of people will just wear, not most of people, but some woman and man, they will just wear bikinis and walk around the town. That's not something that I think Thai people cannot accept that. Adam, though, my boyfriend, he drive his bike down to Chiang Mai and stop at the intersection in Chiang Mai and saw a lady just wear the bikini riding her motorbike, and every Thai people just like, yeah. And also, like, when you go to temple, you notice like the man will always fine, but woman, when you go, you are not allowed to wear short or some bras and stuff like that. But as long as you respect like all the Thai people, respect the law, the rules, people, culture, I think that's fine, totally fine.